What's good? It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with an updated video. I know it's been a while, but I got special things in store. As you can tell by the title of the video, my new power adder application build, phase one, how we're going to begin, where we're going to start. Yeah, so like I say, I'm excited, guys. I've been waiting for a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and it is finally here. So I got parts that's already been shipped. I'm just waiting on that. Once those parts come in, I will be headed to Danny Built Racing to get them installed. He's a good friend of mine. Been knowing Danny for about 5-6 years now. When he moved up to Georgia. Man, like I said, I'm excited. Everything is coming through. I already got a baseline tune from Power Lab to get the car fired up, and we'll data log after everything's installed. But without further ado, I'm gonna start off by doing this so you guys can see. A lot of you guys already know. I haven't put it out there for anybody to guess or whatnot like that, but I'm going head on and spill the beans. As you can see, there you go, right there. We in business. But I'm not gonna just show you that. I'm gonna show you guys this. Now, this thing is massive, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the Kenne 3.2 liters liquid cooled. It's the black Mammoth. Man, this thing is awesome. I wanna pick the guy up. I'm gonna pick it up so you guys can see how big it is. You know what I'm saying? Compared to me, we're starting off, you know, I guess with the biggest pulley that they carry for the 3.2, which is the 10-pound pulley. We'll start off with that. We'll get us a 93 tune dialed in for that, and I got 4 innovation fuel system, return style fuel system coming. Also got the ID 1050X's, oil pump gears, crank sprocket. All that's going to be installed in the car just for insurance and make sure that the car got proper fueling so I can make the power that I'm reaching out for. Hopefully I can make somewhere high 7s, low 8s with 93, give or take. But at the end of the day, I'm all E85, baby. So the goal is I definitely going to make well over 800 with E85. So that's cool with the 10 pound. But what I like about Kenne is that they go up in increments, like 1 pound increments. So I can get 11 pound, 12 pound, 14 pound, 15 pound. I can go all the way up to 15 pounds before Kenne recommend me to get the 10 reel pulley system, which eventually that's gonna be phase 2 of the build, is going 15 or 16 plus and get the 10 reel pulley system. And by that time, hopefully I'll be getting myself prepared to get the motor built. If not, the transmission, whichever one comes first. That'll be phase 2. We're gonna go into phase 3 because you know how we are. You know what I'm saying? We have a base number we wanna hang around and we wanna achieve. And once we get there, we want more. So of course you guys know the 4 digits will be in the future. But let me go ahead on and move this to the side. I'm gonna pick the guy up and I'm gonna sit it back down, and then I'm gonna show you guys on the floor. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but this is a nice energy drink, 0 sugar, so you ain't got to worry about it if you diet in, macro friendly, all that good stuff, and it gives you a nice kick. Miami is a good flavor. I know it looks like it want to be cotton candy, but it's not cotton candy. I don't know how to describe Miami, but it's good. Yes, sir. Look at the inlet. Yes, sir. Come with the 168 millimeter mono blade throttle body. Liquid cool. Look at this. Yeah, so that's the 10-pound pulley. Yeah, so you know, I wanted to let you guys know that I haven't left. I'm still around. I know it's been a while. They got back right there. Let me move this guy back out the way. Slide the chair back up. Yeah, I didn't want you guys to think, you know, because I've been noticing the subscriber count going up. And like I said, I want to say I appreciate you guys. Those of you that subscribe, those of you that's not subscribed but watching the videos, you know, it's always one step closer to the goal, you know, getting a part of the YouTube community, growing Mustang Muscle 5.0 as a community, a family, and a brand. By the way, I will have merch available. I got some ideas, some prototype shirts. You may see me wearing them. Well, you will see me wearing them in my videos, upcoming videos. So, you know, get the brand out there, support the brand whenever I drop, you know, for launch. And yeah, man, I just want to say thank you guys for sticking it out with me. If you like this content, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like, click the notification bell so you can get all the videos when they first drop. You will be the first to get it. Make sure you share the content, get it out there to other car people, your friends, family, whatever that like Mustangs, that like just V8 muscle cars, boosted cars, whatever may be the case. Yeah, man. I'm everything is coming together as planned. There's no rush with this situation. I want to make sure everything is all right, because I do know about race car problems. You know, you try to rush things, you try to get out there, have some fun. This thing, you know, you're tearing something up. You know what I'm saying? You got to plan it out. You got to, so you can get longevity out of your vehicle, out of your machine that you're building out here. So yeah, with that said, man, once again, man, I'm gonna wrap this guy up. I don't want to bore you guys or be all long, drawn out with this video, because it's just an update video, just let you know where my head at, what's going on in my life. Yeah, by the way, my job is just taking over right now, which is okay, you know what I'm saying, because I need the funds. By the way, my birthday just passed, April 22nd. Your boy is the big 4-1. Proud of myself, you know what I'm saying? And it's good, man. 41 years here on earth, it feels good, I'm still looking young, you know, every bit of 18, you know how it go. But yeah, man, I'm gonna close the video out, man. Mustang Muscle 5.0, man. Make sure you smash the like button, man. You hit the subscribe button, man. You share the content, man. If you like this content, man, come on, man, support your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I be seeing the people watching, man. I be checking the analytics, man. I got a lot of people watching the videos that's not subscribed, man. Please subscribe to your boy, man. Come on, man. You know you love me. You know you like me, man. Yeah, Mustang Muscle out.